welcome back to another episode of Wisco Outdoors. Today we're doing some more cooking. Today we are making a Olive Garden copycat. We're making gorgonzola pasta with venison steaks and big old Caesar salad. So we are going to make the venison the same way I made backstraps, so if you guys haven't watched that video, you guys should go watch it because we're going to do the steaks the same way. So, here we go. Breaking out the grill again.
No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, it's actually all right. Okay. You have more power than you might give yourself credit for. If you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging, painful, it's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself.
Shut the door.
You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
Do you scrub it every time after you're done using it? How do you clean out that tray?
Done enough for my group of people. We like our steaks raw here. They're not raw, they're medium rare. They're fine. Oh gosh, tripod troubles. Yummy. And a little bite. Can't go wrong. We are gonna let that get to a rolling boil. We're gonna salt that up and then put our pasta in it. Oh, I only spilled one that time. Really funny, really good. Money. And there goes a loud dog. It's a little pasta. There's pasta cooking water. Okay, making the sauce now. We need, this is the Alfredo sauce for la pasta. So, we're doing a double, by the way. Not that you think that the recipe calls for 2 sticks of butter. We're doubling the recipe. We're not that way. Butter, 1 stick. Second stick of butter. That looks like about 2 cups. We got pasta cooking water to thicken her up. Some Parmesan. Just throw this whole knob of cheese in there. And now I'm too lazy, so the whole block's going in there. And that's gonna go there. And the other non-grated stuff. about 2 cups of cheese. We're kind of all about the about life here. Make a balsamic vinegar reduction. Take your time. Oh, cool. Coming out, or you got it?
Got it.
So we start adding the noodles back into that.
Into what, this?
You might want to like go into that. You might want to just cut up the noodles. Or just pop them all in there, depending on what they do.
Too late. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys so much for watching that cooking episode. Hopefully you guys enjoyed and you guys try this recipe. We definitely made way too much stinking pasta for how much sauce we made. But oh well. It was still really awesome. Highly suggest you guys try this recipe. It's essentially Alfredo pasta with steak, sun-dried tomatoes, and gorgonzola cheese. Super stinking easy to make. You make a ton of it, as the video showed. And yeah, it's another really good episode, or another really good recipe y'all can try. So if you guys are new and like the video, please show your support down below. Like the video, subscribe if you guys are new. And yeah, we'll see you guys on the next one. Have a good one, y'all.